Unlike most humans, Charlie has no fear of heights. For him, climbing a 25-meter palm tree is child's play. Things only get complicated once he's at the top. This is Charlie's special skill, collecting coconuts for his master, and it was Sompong who taught him. Lived with monkeys since the age of 11. They help him with his coconut plantation, but first he has to train them.
จำไม่ได้นี่ได้มา5 วันวันนี้ยังจับไม่ได้วันนี้จับไม่ให้จับเลย
In 6 months' time, the youngest of Sompong's boarders could become an expert. Meanwhile, he will have to show a little more diligence. Sompong is also tutoring another monkey, and this one is quite promising.
จะลาดตัวนี้เลยท่าทางใจได้หินฮัดไม่ยาแหน่ให้ตักท่าตักทีสองทีเลยเห็นมันทำตามนี่เราฮัดนี่ฮัดมันให้มันมุ่นมือซ้ายมือขวามือซ้ายมือขวาถ้าลับกันเลยคือว่าพอขึ้นมือปลายนึงมันจะไม่ต้องจะกลับตัวอยู่เราฮัดมือซ้ายมั่งมือขวามั่งมือซ้ายมั่งมือขวามั่ง
Advanced training. It's hardly the obvious thing to do, to twist a coconut while hanging from a branch. He's doing pretty well. Charlie seems remarkably talented, but there are still some things he can't do. Charlie is Sompong's best pupil, so he certainly deserves this reward. Sompong knows that Charlie would probably prefer the forest to captivity. On the other hand, with Sompong, there is a plentiful supply of food. Sompong thinks they have a kind of tacit agreement, each to help each other. The work that Sompong and Charlie do together isn't so unusual in southern Thailand. Monkeys have been trained to collect coconuts there for a long time now. But not everyone is lucky enough to live with a monkey as considerate as Charlie.